might like it. Anyways, I hope that you like, subscribe, and comment down below. So let's start. So I like the label. So right here, there's usually a label right here. I like to make sure that my label is on the left. So I like to remember by label left. So make sure it's on the left side. And then I want my belt to be nice and even because that would be really annoying if it was not even because then your belt just looks wrong. So as you can see, my belt is even. And then I'm going to put right where I tied it, there's a little bit of an edge right here. I'm going to put it right where my stomach is, right here. Then I'm going to tie it across and back over again. Now I like to do this. I'll show you from the back. So it looks like this. There's two. There's one and there's two. Right like that. And I like to pull it so there's more space. Make sure it's still in. I'm going to pull it over again. Tie it like that. Then this is going to go under both of them. Both of the two that I already did is going to go under it. Now I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to do this. So it looks like that. And so right now it should look like this. Then right here, it is going to go in the middle, not underneath, but in the middle of both. And then this, the label side, the left, is going to go through and do that. But a lot of people think, oh, you're finished. But guess what? If you want your belt to fall off again, then do this way. So let me show you how to make it a lot tighter. So it's going to go back right under, like I did. Then this is going to go underneath, but underneath the middle. So it's going to go in the middle again. It's going to slide under, I'm going to pull out, then I'm going to squeeze, and voila. It looks perfect. Well, not perfect, but really, really good. You could go into a competition looking like this. Anyways, I really hope that you liked this video. I hope that you use this in class or in a competition or anywhere because it's really easy. And I hope that you like, subscribe, and comment down below because if you want more videos, and that's just better for me because sometimes I don't know what to do. So I really hope that you like this video. Bye! Anyways, let's continue. Yeah.